Real Phantom Vibes is in full effect and a beaming sun. Oh my goodness. Pretty bright here. And we are currently lit up for southbound CSX. And it's Funky Friday, I might add, on the railroad. And we're about to bring this funk to you like right now. Check it out, folks. Here we go. It's funky time. It's funk time. Shout out to Mike. Check it out, folks. It's Funky Friday on the railroad, folks, on Real Phantom Vibes. Here we go. You see it? Yes, sir, Real Phantom. Funky Friday on the railroad. Funky Friday, keep it funky. Friday on the railroad on YouTube for Real Phantom Vibes. Check out these tankers. And big Bahama Mama tankers. Massive. CSX brought the big boys out on this southbound. Yes, sir. Thanks for tuning in once again, folks. To Funky Friday on the railroad on the Real Phantom Vibes. We got some coil shields. Turned out to be a pretty good freight train here on Real Phantom Vibes. Funky Friday style, yes sir. Once again, I apologize for the sun. It's out of my control, but I just wanted to extend that. And I mean, it is bright. I'm gonna try to dodge it as much as I possibly can. It is Funky Friday on the railroad, folks. They say the funk of show make you stank. Just remember, real fans, spell funky how you want it. You spell it F-U or F-O. I traditionally record the F-O because if I title my video F-O, that means it's funky. Yes, sir. Real Phantom Vibes in full effect, baby. Yes, sir. It is fan Tyson over there. I forgot to mention him. We're in this together, brother. Alright, folks, so there goes the end of our southbound. Let's call it a mixed freight, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. On Fonky Friday on the railroad, and that was funky. Funky, funky, funky. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know the dealio. Smash that like button. Gaze extend upward. Peace out, folks. Let me get away from that sun. Whoa. Blind. God bless, folks.